What is the fastest way to learn and use Esperanto? Well, go to lernu.net and I will give you an overview in this video of how to use lernu.net. The first step is to go to Introduction to the language, and go through all of these steps concerning the alphabet, what is a noun, how do you form all of these different words. Because it's regular, it's actually a lot of fun. This should take you about an hour. After you do the overview, you'll be surprised that your brain picks this up, because this isn't the way we usually learn language. But this language is so regular that it's fun and it's fast, and you just start picking it up. Well, let's look into courses, and this is step number 2. Courses, basic, and then, beginning, bildoj kaj demandoj. If you go under courses, beginning, bildoj kaj demandoj, you will get to the page, the type of pages that you're seeing right here on my screen. Here I'm in section 7, kiel estas ghi, and you can see all the functionality here. On the right hand side we have our dictionary. So if you want to check a word from English to Esperanto or Esperanto to English, you simply go over here and you click ek. Under there you'll see the explanation of the word. Often it will break it up into its parts, and the parts are clickable, so that is very functional. On the left we see what happens when I click a word itself. So here you see the word is highlighted with a question mark and an arrow. If I click that, this yellow paste note will come up. You can double click that and keep that on your desktop. You can put that anywhere you find convenient to save. You can save this as you go, and it will always stay on your desktop. When you're finished with the word, you think, okay, I know the word. Then you click one of these X's in the corners and it will disappear. Also, you've already done the introduction up here, so you know the pronunciation. And the thing is, you haven't used it before, you haven't tried it before. So try to say the sentence before you listen to the audio. Kio ghi estas?
Kio ghi estas?
And that should be enough. You go through each one of these like that, listening to the recordings. I recommend not looking up the words right away, because the course is designed to have you look at the picture and guess the meanings as you go, and that gives it kind of a gaming atmosphere, a puzzle atmosphere. As you go to the end, they will begin to ask you questions. They give you a text field. You input your answers, and it will automatically tell you if your answer is correct or incorrect. So it's an educational game. Now, after you've done this for about 2 weeks, I think if you go through this for about 2 weeks, you play these games, you go through bildoj kaj demandoj, I'm saying in about 14 days you will be finished with all 50 lessons. And at that point, you can go down here to the tui messagilo, and that is the instant messenger. And the instant messenger automatically connects you to other Esperantists who are online, and you can speak your basic Esperanto and practice what you know. Anything you want to say that you're not quite sure how to do it, you can look up in the dictionary again. And again, the grammar of how to use the word is very simple. You already know how to do that. So you can change the word into a verb, a noun, an adjective, an adverb, or make it, you could do all kinds of crazy things in Esperanto with any word that you start with. And that's what makes it really fun, because each person in this Mesagilo will be speaking their brand of Esperanto, and you will be speaking yours. And the funny thing you'll find is that you understand each other. So it enhances your individuality and expressive quality. So I highly recommend it. If you have any more questions concerning how to learn Esperanto, please send those to me or put them into the messages below. All the links will be provided on the right-hand side, and thank you very much.